let's learn how we can create realistic mockups with a natural look using Harmonize. This automatically adjusts color, lighting, and shadows so that when we are creating composites, it looks seamless. So we're going to put some content on top of this image. So I'm going to File, Place Embedded. I'm going to place my photo, and both of these are from Adobe Stock, which is a great source for images. So I'll place that. I'm going to go ahead and remove the background, but you can already see that we're going to have some lighting issues between these mockups and the base image. Let's transform this down, get those into place. So immediately after scaling it, I have Harmonize as an option in my contextual taskbar. So I will go ahead and click Harmonize, and this is an AI option. It is generative and will have various options that we can choose from. So we need to do the harmonizing on a pixel layer. So you can't harmonize on adjustment layers or text layers or those type of layers. Make sure it's a pixel layer. So here's our first option, our second, and our third. And I'm kind of liking this first one, maybe that second one. And so all of this is created on a layer. So you can see that was our before, and there's our after. So we've had a shift in all of that lighting and shadows. So now we could save this out and utilize it. So that is Harmonize.